Good morning, student. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today, this is your science teacher, Teacher Afreen. Okay, today is Monday, 13th April 2020. Please open your learner's book, page number 40 and 41. The unit will be 4.2 and the topic is darkness. Yesterday, we discussed about the darkness. Okay, so come on, take out your learner book, page number 40 and 41. Okay class, yesterday we discussed about the darkness. Today we will study some 5 sentences about the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first I will explain what is darkness. Darkness means there is no light or little light. Now for the fill in the blanks, I have the first sentence, we need light. Why we need light? You can see on the screen a person is there and he is using a torch, a human or man-made light source. Why he is using any light source? Because he want to see the way, he want to see the path. Okay, so we need light. Why we need light? We need light to see clearly, properly, anything. Okay, so we need light to see. S-E-E-C. C is the answer. Okay, now my second sentence is dash means there is no light. Dash means there is no light. Now look at the screen, there is a picture and you can see in the picture there are buildings, mosques, but they are not clear. Why the picture is not clear about the buildings and mosque picture you can't see properly. Why? Because there is no light, and if there is no light or little light, what we are telling, there is darkness. So same answer is there. Darkness means there is no light. What? Darkness means there is no light. What will be the spelling of darkness? D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S, darkness. Darkness means there is no light. Now number third sentence is dash is the main natural source of light. Who is the main natural source of light on the earth? That is the natural means made by nature or made by Allah, made by God. So who is the main natural source of light? Obviously sun. Sun is the main natural source of light. What is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. Sun is the main natural source of light. Now the fourth sentence is in the dash we cannot see. Where we cannot see? Look at the screen, there is the picture and a person is walking. Only where is the light is coming, there you can see the way, but after that fully black. So where is the black? Where is the black? Black is there, where is no light. Okay, where is no light, there is the black. So black place, what we are telling? The darkness, or we are telling dark. So what will be the answer? In the dark we cannot see. In the dark we cannot see. What is the spelling of dark? D-A-R-K, dark. In the dark we cannot see. Now the fifth sentence is the dash reflects light from the sun. Look at the screen, there is the picture of sun, moon and earth. Now look carefully, the yellow color sun is giving light to the earth and to the moon also. When the sunlight falls on the moon shines. Okay, and when the moon shines, it reflects the same light. So it is looking, the moon is shining and we are thinking that moon is also a light source, but actually what is the fact? That moon is not a light source, it is fully black, but when sun's light fall on it, it reflects light from it. Okay, you can see it is written over there, where is the moonlight coming on the where is the moon reflect the sunlight on the earth. What is written over there? Reflected light from moon. Okay, the moon is shining. Why? Because the sun's light fall on it and it reflect its light. Okay, so number 5 and 5th sentence is the dash reflects light from the sun. Who is reflecting the light? The moon is reflecting the light. So what is the spelling of moon? M-O-O-N, moon. Now I will revise all the sentences together. Number 1, we need light to see. S-E-E-C. Next, dash means there is no light. Darkness means there is no light. What is the spelling of darkness? D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S, darkness. Darkness means there is no light. Number 3, dash is the main natural source of light. What is the answer? Sun. S-U-N, sun. Sun is the main natural source of light. Number 4, in the dash we cannot see. Where we cannot see? We cannot see in the dark. So sentence is, in the dark we cannot see. What is the spelling of dark? D-A-R-K, dark. And now last sentence is, the moon reflects light from the sun. Who is reflecting the light from the sun? The moon. M-O-O-N, moon. The moon reflects light from the sun. Now the homework is, learn all the work. Learn all the work. Thank you, students. Bye bye.